Hello, this is a prototype. I will make my own keyboard called a grid type 40% keyboard that is easy to do with a rational touch type. When making a keyboard, it is the real pleasure of a self-made keyboard that you can combine your favorite key switches from a wide variety of key switches. There are three main types of key switches. Liner, it is quiet and has no click feeling, so it is suitable for work in a quiet place. Many products are light in weight, so even when typing for a long time, there are many products with less finger load. Tactile, press the key to the set location and you will get tactile feedback to prevent erroneous input. There will be a slight click sound. Tactile seems to be a safe choice for many user. Clicky. The keyboard tapping sound is comfortable, and the clicked feedback is easy to understand by sound and touch, so it is easy to judge whether you have mistyped or typed. Not suitable for use in quiet environments due to loud noise. There is also a video explaining a wide variety of key switches, so if you are interested in key switches, please take a look. There are a wide variety of key switches from various manufacturers such as Thierry MX, Kyle, and Gateron, but I personally recommend the Gateron Clear Liner. The liner type has a feather touch that is comparable to the Happy Hacking keyboard, and is the lightest switch among all manufacturers. I also use two places, Kyle, Silent Axis Tactile. The 40% keyboard has a variety of shortcuts, so by placing key switches that feel different in the appropriate places, you can make the system easier to touch type. Keycap to cover this key switch. 140% keyboard printed circuit board. Create a frame that fits the printed circuit board with Kaido and print it using a 3D printer. It is a printed out base. The outer frame. I reprinted it about 8 times, but the base plastic was burned. Put the printed circuit board in the printed out frame. Cinderella fits because I repeated fine adjustment many times.
Yeah.
It fits perfectly without excess or deficiency. I will put a keycap on the base. I was addicted to it beautifully. Brown is Kyle the Silent Tactile, pink is Kyle the Silent Liner. Fix the upper and lower parts with screws. Fixed. Test the backlight. Since the parts are printed out with transparent resin, the backlight is beautifully reflected. I think that it is a great taste of the self-made keyboard to make fine adjustments in this way. I will praise the keycap. Completed successfully. Let me explain how I got to this keyboard layout. It is a heat map in QWERTY arrangement, but it is obviously a structure that abuses the left little finger. I felt that my left little finger would break if I continued to use the QWERTY key layout as it is, so I developed a proto key layout for the safety of my little finger. The value of the key that each finger is in charge of, left, and the priority of key layout, right. Next is the priority of each finger. The smaller the number, the higher the priority, and the little finger has the lowest priority because the little finger has used many times such as Control and Shift. Place vowels on the left hand side and consonants on the right hand side, referring to the alphabet usage frequency table. Place the QWZXCV, which is a key that is used infrequently and is often used as a shortcut key, on the left side without moving it from the key layout. Unexpectedly frequently used, comma Torla and dot. Placed in the lower center. The numbers in the purple frame on the right side are the priority of the fingers, and the upper row is easier to enter than the lower row, so arrange them according to the frequency of use and priority of the alphabet. Complete by assigning keys based on the frequency of the alphabet. You might wonder if this is the structure that has the least load on your fingers and allows you to type reasonably. Paste the entire key map and reference link of the prototype key created this time. For situations where you do not want to take your mouse off your hand, for example, for editing work such as Photoshop, we have also posted a left key arrangement that allows you to do almost all work with just your left hand. This is very nice. We are selling the Comarimator Urshel version of the keyboard created this time, so if you are interested, please see the reference link. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching until the end. It will be very encouraging if you subscribe to our channel and treat Amazon gifts. We sell minimal keyboards on the site. We have a blog about how TOS related to technology. We are muttering the progress on Twitter and Instagram.
Love on the peace!